shit. Nine. Oh shit. Get back! He's right there in the white truck! Come on, we'll pin down. We out of one. He's right here. He's right here! The white truck! White Dodge, driver's seat! White Dodge, facing this way! I don't have another mag for my AR. Do you got one?
In my bag, in the car.
This is right. White Dodge!
Hey, we're pinned down.
White Dodge facing this way!
We gotta get out of here. Hey, can you see us?
Can we get out of here?
We need to get out of here.
Oh, motherfucker. Oh, Jesus.
Into the south home area.
Watch crossfire, Sarge.
You see my vehicle?
Stay in your house. Oh, here. How far away is it? This is 886, so it's going to be one of these right over here. Maybe the one with the garage. One of those two. That's a yellow two-story with a silver SUV in the driveway. Is that the house? Open garage door?
I'm not going to tell you.
Fuck me. Alright, let's go. I moved up to you, bud. I'm right here, hold on. You got that 28 right there on the Dodge? Or the Chevy?
Yeah. Okay.
It's that one. It's the big yellow one. There's a bunch.
Question. I get the shield. Are you guys willing to go with me? We'll go Toyota, Chevy to the house. Or do you want to wait? Go check on the kids. All right. I got the shield. You guys follow me. Let's go to the Toyota first, the Chevy. Yep.
They got him scoped. Just let them know we're going to move up to the Chevy in front of the house.
Sam 14. We're going to use vehicles. We're far enough away from the truck. Keep an eye on him. If he moves, let us know. We're going to move vehicles up to go on to the south side of the road to check on the house. We're moving now. Chevy next. Ready? Go.
Come on, got one coming up behind us. Why don't we,
We got 4.
I'll get eyes on. That's 6-9 there.
Sam 14, moving forward. We're at the right address. Okay. Who's got? I got rifle.
I'm on rifle.
Okay. Want to go to the edge of the house and go along into the garage?
I'll stay up here on the truck and watch the other truck over here. I got open if he comes out of the driveway.
Ready? Yeah, we got it.